Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, higher education.
That's right, we'll discuss why higher education matters, its benefits, challenges, and how it shapes people's futures.
If you're a student or planning to go to college, this lesson is for you.
Exactly. Let's begin our discussion, the importance of higher education.
Alex, what does higher education mean to you?
To me, it means education beyond high school, like college or university.
Yes, it's where people specialize in subjects they're passionate about.
Exactly. It's also a place to grow intellectually and socially.
Why do you think higher education is important?
It opens doors to better job opportunities and personal growth.
I agree. A degree can make a big difference in one's career.
True, employers often prefer candidates with higher education.
But it's not just about jobs, right?
Yes, it's also about learning how to think critically.
College teaches more than facts. It teaches problem solving.
Exactly. It trains your mind to analyze and reason.
Do you think everyone should go to college?
Not necessarily. Education is important, but it comes in many forms.
That's true. Some people succeed through skills or entrepreneurship.
Yes, higher education is valuable, but not the only path.
Still, for most people, a degree provides stability.
Definitely, it increases income potential over time.
Do you think college prepares students for real life?
Partly yes, but real-world experience is also essential.
I agree. Some things can't be learned from books.
Like communication, teamwork, and emotional intelligence.
That's why internships are so important during studies.
Absolutely, they connect theory with practice.
What was your favorite subject in university?
Economics. It helped me understand how the world works.
That's interesting. I loved literature and communication.
Those subjects build creativity and empathy.
Do you think education shapes personality?
Yes, it expands your worldview and values.
I agree. You meet people from different cultures too.
That's one of the best parts of college life.
How important is networking in higher education?
Extremely important. Connections can help in future careers.
Some say, your network is your net worth.
That's a great saying and very true.
Do you think higher education guarantees success?
No, but it increases your chances significantly.
So effort and attitude still matter most.
Absolutely, a degree helps, but motivation is key.
What do you think about online education?
I think it's fantastic. It makes learning more accessible.
Yes, now people can study from anywhere.
And many top universities offer online degrees.
That's true. It's flexible for people who work full-time.
Exactly. You can balance work, study, and family.
But some people still prefer classroom learning.
Yes, in-person discussions can be more engaging.
I think both have advantages.
Blended learning, a mix of both, is the future.
What do you think about the cost of higher education?
That's a serious issue. Tuition is very expensive in some countries.
Yes, many students graduate with huge debt.
That's true, and it takes years to repay.
Scholarships and financial aid really help.
Yes, they make education more accessible for everyone.
Do you think education should be free?
Ideally, yes, at least basic higher education.
Some countries already offer that.
Yes, like Germany and Finland, great examples.
I wish more governments would invest in education.
It's the best investment for any nation's future.
Higher education also boosts innovation.
Exactly. Universities are centers of research and discovery.
Do you think studying abroad is valuable?
Definitely. It teaches independence and cultural understanding.
It also improves language skills.
Yes, learning another language broadens your mind.
Have you ever studied abroad?
Yes, I studied in Canada for 1 semester.
Wow! How was it?
Amazing. I met people from all over the world.
That must have been a life-changing experience.
It truly was. I learned as much outside the classroom as inside.
Do you think education improves society as a whole?
Without question, educated citizens build better communities.
Education reduces poverty and increases equality.
Exactly, it empowers people to improve their lives.
What do you think about vocational education?
Very important. Not everyone needs a traditional degree.
Yes, technical skills are in high demand.
Skilled workers are the backbone of every economy.
So higher education isn't only about universities.
Right, it includes technical colleges and trade schools too.
Do you think grades are the best measure of success?
Not really, skills and attitude matter more.
I agree. Some brilliant people don't have perfect grades.
Exactly, the success isn't just numbers on paper.
How did you stay motivated in college?
I set goals and reminded myself why I was studying.
That's good advice. I used to make study schedules.
Organization makes a big difference.
Do you think professors influence students' success?
Absolutely, a good teacher inspires curiosity.
I had one professor who changed my life.
That's the power of great educators.
What about friendships formed in college?
Many last a lifetime. You share growth and memories.
I still talk to my college friends often.
That's wonderful. Education connects people.
Do you think universities focus too much on theory?
Sometimes, yes, more practical training would help.
I agree. Students need real-world experience.
Internships and projects bridge that gap.
How do you feel about AA in education?
It's useful. AI tutors can personalize learning.
Yes, technology makes studying more efficient.
But we should never replace teachers completely.
True. The human touch is important.
Always, mentorship can't be automated.
What's the biggest lesson you learned in college?
That success comes from persistence, not just intelligence.
I learned how to manage my time and stress.
Very important life skills.
Higher education also builds confidence.
Yes, knowledge gives people a stronger voice.
It's empowering to express your ideas clearly.
That's what education is truly for.
How long did it take you to finish your degree?
For years, but it felt shorter because I enjoyed it.
I finished in the same time.
Great minds think alike.
Did you ever fail a class?
Once, it taught me resilience and humility.
Failure can be a great teacher.
Exactly, it motivates improvement.
Do you think parents pressure kids too much about college?
Sometimes they want the best, but pressure can backfire.
Yes. Students should choose their own path.
That's how they find real passion.
What would you tell someone unsure about studying further?
Explore different subjects first. Find what excites you.
Good advice. Education is more meaningful when you love the topic.
Exactly, curiosity drives success.
How do you see higher education changing in the future?
More technology, flexible schedules, and global classrooms.
I like that idea. Learning without borders.
Yes, education for everyone, everywhere.
What do you think about lifelong learning?
It's essential. Education doesn't stop after graduation.
Totally agree. The world keeps changing. We must keep learning.
Continuous learning keeps the mind young.
Do you think degrees are still as valuable as before?
They still matter, but skills matter more now.
So education plus practical experience is the best combo.
Exactly. That's what employers look for.
What about soft skills?
Equally important: communication, teamwork, creativity.
I wish universities focused more on those.
Some do now. They include leadership courses.
That's good progress.
Yes, education must evolve with society.
How do you feel about studying multiple degrees?
Great idea if it broadens your career options.
But it's also expensive and time-consuming.
True, you need to plan carefully.
Would you ever go back to school?
Maybe for a master's degree someday.
Same here. Learning never really ends.
Exactly, it's a lifelong journey.
Do you think education improves emotional intelligence?
It can, especially in social and group activities.
College helps you understand different perspectives.
Yes, that's emotional growth in action.
I think that's one of its biggest benefits.
Definitely, it builds empathy and tolerance.
What do you think universities could improve?
More practical training, mental health support, and career guidance.
I totally agree. Students often feel lost.
Mentorship programs would help a lot.
What motivates students to finish their studies?
Goals, family support, and belief in their dreams.
Motivation is everything during tough semesters.
Yes, persistence leads to success.
What's the biggest challenge in higher education today?
Accessibility and cost, many can't afford it.
That's true. Quality education should be for everyone.
Yes, equality in education is crucial.
How do scholarships change lives?
They give talented people a chance to achieve their dreams.
That's beautiful. Talent shouldn't be limited by money.
Exactly, education should reward ability, not wealth.
Do you think universities encourage creativity?
Some do, but others still focus too much on exams.
I prefer projects over tests.
Same, projects reflect real-world skills.
What's one thing you'd change about your university experience?
I'd travel abroad more and join more clubs.
That's great advice for students now.
Yes, enjoy the journey, not just the grades.
Higher education also teaches independence.
True, living on your own builds responsibility.
It's the first real step into adulthood.
Yes, with both freedom and responsibility.
What did you learn most from university life?
That knowledge is power, and curiosity never ends.
Beautifully said, Alex.
Thank you. What about you?
I learned to trust myself and my abilities.
That's one of the best outcomes of education.
Do you think online degrees will replace traditional ones?
Not replace, but they'll become equally respected.
That's a good point. Education should be flexible.
Exactly, access for all learners.
Do you think higher education affects society's future?
Absolutely, educated people build stronger nations.
It shapes leaders, innovators, and thinkers.
Yes, it's the foundation of progress.
What advice would you give new college students?
Stay curious, stay organized, and don't fear failure.
Excellent advice. I'd say, enjoy the process, not just the result.
Perfectly said.
Do you think technology will change universities completely?
Yes, but it should enhance, not replace, human learning.
That balance will be important.
Exactly, tech plus humanity equals progress.
Do you believe degrees define intelligence?
Not at all. Intelligence comes in many forms.
Right. Some geniuses never finish college.
Yes, creativity doesn't need certificates.
Still, education refines natural talent.
Exactly, it gives structure and direction.
Would you say higher education is worth the investment?
Absolutely, it's an investment in yourself.
I couldn't agree more.
Knowledge is something no one can take away.
That's powerful. Education truly lasts a lifetime.
Yes, it grows as you do.
How can students make the most of their college years?
Participate, ask questions, and build connections.
Great tips. Learning happens outside class too.
Exactly, through people, experiences, and mistakes.
Do you think grades matter after graduation?
Only at first, later, skills and attitude matter more.
So education opens doors, but you must walk through them.
Perfect metaphor, Mia.
Thanks, Alex. Today's talk reminded me how lucky we are to have education.
Yes, it's a privilege and a responsibility.
Thank you all for joining us. Keep learning and believing in yourself.
And don't forget, education is the key to a brighter future. See you next time.